kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong ko chongki. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Habakan tho halo kajing persyang bandung tu. Hasil ntar ka Khappud India wat Bangladesh. Uji meski sang mau loong. Pakani ka dikamat ka bakhya bha. Pak badan kam ya kajing pet ngor taki bor badi pet. Hakajing keren bigila apthai khubor hakat wei terik ujal liu aja pun riu ujim sapen kan mau ya kajing ya pen ibor hapreng kisipai border guard of Bangladesh bat kisipai border security force hathaj nandir char jangka southwest Garo Hills district bak kisipai ada Khappud jangkari Bangladesh kila kantat pensim ya Mynder Bangladeshi nak kisipai BSF ulong bakom urukhat bathamai chaying darbar thawai raja sabha Waga jingkersan ka baklan yak sinjam balasyim dak sarkar pedeng haka bai dei pat ka jingyada yo put usam jongkari
our state and our people national border with Bangladesh and for us as a state if we are to look at border trade look east rather than look east look south makes more sense for us so yes there will be a lot of collaborations and interactions with the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to see how we can have more ways and means of increasing that amount of trade.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.